Y'all might have heard there is a drawing for a bike tonight. Are we excited about who's going to get the bike? Are we excited about who's going to get the bike? All right. Okay, so I'm going to hand it over here.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Goodharmson. I'm one of the PE teachers here. I was a little apprehensive about the bike program at first, but it was amazing. I think it was your favorite time in PE, maybe at all of Wallace since kindergarten. Absolutely. All right, I think you want to know who's won the bike. All right, Mr. Richard, here we go. Well, let me see.
What does everybody mean?
So here's what we need to do, okay? They're based on your height, and yes, Mr. Richard is here with his buddy Adam, and they are going to adjust your seats today, and you get to take this home today, okay? You also get a helmet. And yes, you're going to wear your helmet while you're riding your bike, right? But no helmet. You also get some lights and a lock to go home with you, okay? So, here's what you're going to do. You cannot get your bike until you get your helmet, your lock, and your lights. And then Mrs. Anderson and I will direct you to if it's these bikes or the bikes in the library. Okay? So right now, just hugs, whatever. Give Mr. Richard a high five. Thank you, Mr. Richard.